So looking at the screen again, up here we have these funny discs and these black lines. These black lines are part of the throwback to the vinyl era. It's known as clock technique. But to see these numbers, I need these out of the way. So I'm just going to shuffle that out of the way. The number here is 97.0. That is BPM, or beats per minute. It's a computer estimate of the speed of the song. Musicians and DJs call speed tempo. It's the same thing as far as we're concerned, it's just a definition. Tempo is what musicians call speed, and this song is 97.0 beats per minute, or BPM. The pitch fader here is what changes the speed of the song. With it playing, I can speed it up, and you see the number increasing, but you also hear the music going faster. Slow it down, and you can hear the music slowing down and the number decreases. You may also have noticed the waveform stretched. This is logical. If it's slower, it's going to take longer for the next sound to reach the play point. If it's faster, it's not going to take as long. So it's squished up. These are the times. This is how long has been played. This is how long you've got left. It's exactly the same for song 2 in deck 2. I was only showing you on deck 1. Up here, you've got the permanent basic setting that the computer thinks this song is. 97 BPM. That's assuming you were at 0 in the pitch fader and it made no changes. As you can see, it matches when we're at 0. If you're wondering how to make sure you're at 0 here, it's shown there, plus 0.0%. If I speed up, that tiny number increases. This tiny, there it decreases. This number shows you the range that the pitch fade is working on. So at full, this says plus 8, because this is plus or minus 8, minus 8. You can change that range in the settings, but we think plus or minus 8 is enough. If, once in a while, the tempo here doesn't seem to be the tempo you expected your track to be at, and you think the computer has analysed it wrong, there is a way of going into the song's analysis file and altering that tempo manually, but that's not going to be covered by this video. We recommend you either read the manuals or Google it. You're looking for tapping or setting beat grids to songs, or what to do when analysis fails in Serato DJ. Those are good search terms.
In tracks.